All right, y'all, so today we whipping up a whole fried snapper. And if you ain't never had one before, I'm about to change your perspective for sure after this recipe is done, all right? So we're gonna marinate this low and slow and it's fried to golden perfection, and the flavors is literally just all the way to the skeleton. Yeah, I can't say enough, but look. All the ingredients to make this is in the description box below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. It don't take you nothing but a couple seconds to do so if you ain't already. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be kept up to date with the new recipes coming your way, all right? But let's get it though.
I do my thing in the kitchen. My name is Cord, I'm for the culture, and I'm here with a vision. We here to talk, chop it up. They say the odds are stacked against us. We ain't seen that bet. And the things we do in kitchens, y'all ain't seen that shit. Yes, Lord, let me talk. Listen, man, we here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. You now turned into Kitchen Culture Podcast.
All right, so we got us a whole snapper, all right? So at my local butcher or any grocery store, really, you can go ahead and ask them if they sell whole snappers, they'll be able to do this for you. So they remove the scales and the fins, and then also the tail as well. So what you're left with, just the body, and then of course you got the head with the eye and everything like that. Fun fact with this fish eye, if you bold enough to eat this, now it actually got healthy fats benefits, but that's a whole nother story for another day. So look, what we're gonna do is make a few slices, make a few little slits into the snapper on both sides. So maybe about 3 to 4. That way that flavor can penetrate all the way down to the very center of this fish. We're gonna go ahead and pat this thing down real good. Our marinade, we're gonna drop in a gang full of some peeled garlic cloves, so a handful. We're dropping in half of a jalapeno. It's up to you if you wanna keep the seeds in there. The more seeds you have, the more heat you're gonna have, so go to your discretion. Then we got half of a green bell pepper, an orange bell pepper, red bell pepper. Then we got some green onion stalks here. Adding half of a white or yellow onion, or even red, just depends on your preference on that. Adding a little bit of fresh thyme, fresh rosemary. Get you a healthy sized spoonful of some ginger paste or minced ginger. Now we're gonna season this up with some salt, a little soy sauce, some black pepper. And then to make this blend smooth, what we're gonna do is add in some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this on up. Forgot to add me some unsalted lemon pepper, so I'm gonna add that on in, or you get some lemon zest or lemon juice in here. So that's what should be looking like right here. A little pasty, a little coarse. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hit this fish with a little bit of salt on both sides and get inside there too, inside of this flesh. Boom. A little smoked paprika. Add in some onion powder. A little garlic powder on the outside. Then we're gonna add on some black pepper. A little bit of lime juice too. Make sure you get that in and around. All right, now we got some garlic cloves. What I like to do, I'm gonna go ahead and place a clove in each of these slits here. Get that underneath and tucked. And get that deep up in there. So we got a few thyme sprigs. Go ahead and take some of those thyme leaves off. Go ahead and throw those in the slits as well. So I got a marinade here that I made. You can use this on whether it's fish, poultry, you can use this on pork, whatever. It's super versatile. So hit that fish with your marinade and then just go ahead and lather this fish on down. That's all you gotta do. Make sure you massage that in real good. Go ahead, fill that cavity on up too. Okay, all right. You see how this snapper's looking right here? Very seasoned. But like for real, we got this thing loaded down with flavor, okay? So what we're gonna do now, cover this thing on up and let it marinate for at least 5 hours. Overnight is gonna give you what you really came here for though. And as expensive as snapper is, you might wanna just wait the full, you know what I mean? You might wanna just wait the full 24 hours. So while waiting on that to finish up, you gotta tap in with my cookbook, Kitchen Culture. All right, the best big bag cookbook on the market. I mean, it ain't all big bag recipes. It's like a good 3 vegetable recipes. You know, I kind of felt like I overdid it a little bit, but just let me put you on real quick. So it's all sorts of recipes up in this thing. So you got some buffalo chicken sliders up in there, honey chipotle garlic shrimp, you know what I mean? Cocktails, hey, that's me. Some basil garlic lamb chops, deep fried ribs, you know what I'm saying? It's all sorts of stuff in here, from deep fried goodness to holiday meals, mac and cheese, cocktails. The possibilities is endless. But look, grab you a copy of the book through my YouTube shop or hit the description box below. But back to the recipe though. All right, so we got a cup of some yellow cornmeal, half a cup of some all-purpose flour, a little bit of black pepper, Old Bay, and some smoked paprika. All right, go ahead and get everything mixed up. All right, go ahead and drop that fish down into that dry batter that we done created. Go ahead and make sure it gets coated. This fish gets thoroughly coated, all right? We don't want to leave now crevice uncovered. Okay, do a couple flips. Press that batter down into that fish. All right, now, to really let this get as crispy as possible, what you're gonna do is shake off any sort of excess batter and then set this on a wire rack so that way all that breading can get to stick onto this fish real good and it's gonna make for a real crispy bite. All right, so we done heated our oil up to 350. Whether you can use peanut oil, avocado, or grapeseed oil. All right, so that's how you know it's ready. You start to see the flour and everything kind of start to disperse like that. Go ahead and lay that fish on in. Then we're gonna let this go for about 6 to 8 minutes. We want this to be golden brown and it'll float once it's ready. Listen, sometimes you just gotta treat yourself, cause like this right here, either you really liking on somebody or you married or you making this for yourself, cause the snapper is worth every single penny when you make it like this. Dog, the flavor down to the skeleton, bro, like it's really in there. Just go to the store and get the ingredients to make this, man. Oh yes, Lord. We got another banger.
Yes, Lord, let me talk. You tuned into the Chef Core in the kitchen. We here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. Yes, Lord, let me talk.